B8. B8.
I just need one more.
You need one more? No, you need...
Next, B12.
Serious?
And we have a bingo.
Gosh, dang it.
And it wasn't a bingo.
It wasn't a bingo.
No bingo.
Jake's just kidding.
So the last number was B12. Next number, B3.
Actually, have a blackout.
B3.
Try the last one.
Come on.
Next number, O67.
No.
And we got a bingo.
Yay!
Yay. Please keep your hand up.
Hercam.
Hey, man.
Hercam.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
Baby, nice. Hercam. Stop being nice.
We have the coalition here to the right side of the room here with resources. If you're interested, to go check their booth over there.
B9, B7. What is that? I don't know. Things all blurry when I take them off though. Really?
And we have our bingo winner for this round. Congratulations. We have 2 more winners that can win this next round. So we're sticking with the double bingos, B's, and O's.
Yeah. You think so?
And this next prize is coming from Social Services. Congratulations.
Mukbang. Nachos.
It should be old fashioned. Do you guys want any popcorn?
Oh yes, I'll take popcorn back.
I do too.
Alright, Hercam, you got okay? Thank you guys. You want popcorn?
Hercam.
No? So we got a mukbang, guys. Coming up. Popcorn, and she got, what did you get? Nachos? Nacho cheese.
So
Bang. Nachos.
and this last gift basket is from Procurement. Congratulations.
Hey, boss, you better eat your nachos before they get cold. Are they good, babe?
And we're going to take a 10-minute break before we start this next game. Please enjoy your food. If you don't need refreshments, we have some waters up here. And we will come back. We'll be back in just a moment. There's also popcorn up here if you would like. Thank you.
Well, you grab yourself. Oh, you want to get it? Hi, Nana, wait. How are you doing?
No need a button.
I don't really recognize people. Want to bring them up, baby? Huh?
Oh, heck no. I heard a name I didn't want to hear.
Good on baby. Waters? Yeah.
I don't know if I can eat though. I'm feeling nauseous.
Are you getting your sister's
I don't know. I think I am.
Really?
Yeah, because
Even in the car, Izzy was trying to rush to the health center. Ugh. Felt nauseous.
Sympathy pain.
This was pretty good, huh, babe? Is there basketball? My niece is curious because she wants to go see who's playing basketball. Little tomboy. Oh, babe. Hello, babe. I can't talk to my sister. She's just being lazy. We're being lazy. So who was playing? So who was playing? I thought they actually had a basketball. It's me and my niece's first mukbang.
Hey.
Is it really a mukbang though? Because a mukbang you'd be talking about stuff. I thought
Okay.
mukbang is going to March. Hi, Louisa. Hi, Louisa. Louisa? What's your name, Louisa?
No.
One water, baby? One Gatorade in the truck. They're salty, huh? Don't mention it? When? Huh? Where? You? I don't say nothing.
You told her about Friday and Saturday.
Oh, yeah. Ask her, baby.
City Buffalo Ram Dancers, the ones that we wanted to take you to, on Friday.
This Friday?
At
I think at noon.
noon and I think at 3 or 2.
I think they're just doing it one time. I think, but
Anyway. And then on Sunday they're having the Apache Crown Dancers.
Apache Crown Dancers? You wanna go? I'm trying to think if I have anything though. The only thing I'm thinking of though is my grade period. What's a grade period? What's a grade period? What's a grade period? For your quarter, your class quarter, and it's, so there's a first quarter, second quarter, and that's a semester. Then there's, I think it's like in, is it after December? Yeah, after December, I think. Then your new semester starts, and that's your third quarter and fourth quarter. So there's 4 quarters out of the whole school year in 2 semesters. Oh, okay. Just like how we had it then, huh? Right? Mm-hmm. Is that how you had it, Cuban?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Who was saying that? They remember Papa just saying that, oh, I got tired of nachos because my auntie, that's all she used to eat. Huh? Mm-hmm. You're saying that? Like you get tired.
Okay, undo my hair, please.
Right behind.
Knock it off. Yep. It's cold.
Well, guys, that's all I can eat.
Okay.
Eat him in. I ate it.
Mm-hmm.
I can. That's a lot of cheese, man. It's good to have it. Hurt them guys for the nacho dinner. It was very good, huh? Can we get a couple more though? Just in case. Alright, cool. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That what it is.
Never know, huh? Okay guys, done with my mukbang. Okay, you guys have a good evening and we'll talk to you again. And wish us luck at bingo. Peace out, guys. Remember, anyone need a ride to the bingo or we're born to win.